you are using Python as a language. So if you haven't done any modules in Python before, you know the basics of the language, then you are good to go. So I assume you have downloaded Tkinter. I won't show how to do that in this video, but you can find it online. So if you type it, and I have already made the files, now you have to type from Tkinter import start. This is very important. This will make your code easier to write. So otherwise you can just do import Tkinter, but if you do this will make it easier. And then you can make any variable, name it anything. I will name it window, and you have to give it this tk class inside it. And then we go window dot main loop. What this will do is close the window whenever the user clicks on the cross. So now we save to Control S and run this. There you go, we see our window here. Now let's close it. See, if we remove this, now if we save it and run this, see, it doesn't work. So that thing is pretty important. You have to write it every single time. It allows us to run our loop again and again to take inputs from the user. Otherwise the window will be just useless. It will be just so useless it won't be able to do anything. So now let's see how to change the width and height of this window. So we take window, we call window again, and window dot geometry, and then we write within brackets and within quotes we write the width x height. I'm going to make a square window here with 500 width and 500 height. If I run this, there you go. You see a window with 500 width and 500 height. It's perfect square. So now if I check the main file of this module which contains this geometry, so I click Control and left click on that, then we see that the form is width times height. So the first thing you write will be the width. This is the width and this is the height. Always that is how it will be. So if you don't know, you can just click Control and then left click, and wherever, see, it just shows. If I hold Control, it shows wherever it is available. No, otherwise obviously it isn't available everywhere. So guys, one more little thing I want to show you in this video is window dot title, and then we go any title you want. Let's say the name of the channel, programming explained. Just run this and we see programming explained here as the title. So guys, this was it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a like, and if you want to see more such videos, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.